Okay, so these videos are only 15 minutes long, so and then they shut off after the 15 minutes. But that's okay, we did what we wanted to do, and so each one of these are passed, so I can individually one letter at a time. Also, this is why I recommend that you use the black arrow and select the whole thing, and then go to modify group selection. That way you can just and see the before and after right there. Okay. So this is so we did both the let me zoom out. We did the block lettering and the and and all I want is actually just one signature. You don't have to do all of the 8 signatures, just one. We're just going to do one. I'm just going to show you different styles, which one's easy, which one's a little more complicated. Now, now here's what we need to do to submit the assignment. What you need to do is hide the image. You see where it says image here on the left side? Hide it. Take the eyeball, hide it. And then we're going to, well, first of all, you know what I've forgotten to do? Save the thing. File, save to the cloud. And go ahead and put your, down here at the bottom, let's put your last name. Try to save it beforehand, like in case, so that in case something happens, you crash or something, you actually have something to go by. So every time you finish one letter, save. Click on the little disk. Okay, so that was my mistake. Last name dash first name dash signature or sig if you want to go short sig, so now this is the important part. Okay, no, actually this is for saving. When you're saving, you just save it like that. Okay, hit save. Now, when we're exporting, we have to do at the what do you call it? And this little thing is bouncing up and down because it's saving up there. Now it's saved. Okay, so when you're exporting, this is how you export it. Save it just so that you have a copy of it online on your cloud, right? That's where I saved it on the cloud. And try to, like I said, try to do saving every 5 to 10 minutes. And now that I pulled back, that the eye is a little fat in the end, and you can always go back and modify and make it a little thicker. Anyway, so to export, you go File, Export, because you have to give me the file. And this is, like I said, this is the vector program. So this is a raster, this is a raster, and this is a raster. We need a scalable vector graphic, SVG. Save it. And then we're going to put my, actually, yeah, we're exporting. So we do last name dash first name dash sig for signature if you want to type it all thing. Now, we need to tell the program, but this, because I noticed that this happens to a lot of um, you guys. Without an extension, the file, there's this zero file. There's nothing there. It's just like zero size. So we got to tell the program that we have to add a 3-letter extension telling what the type of file it is. So you do period, the little dot, period, not comma, but period, and then SVG. You do the SVG, that's the letter extension, the same one down here. You see the dot SVG, you see it there. That means scalable vector graphic. And you hit save. And then you just go to the Google Classroom and submit on the signature, submit it there. And that's it. Okay.